Hi guys, welcome back. For today's video, we are going to unleash the power of ESAB Rogue 200i Pro. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Pab and Weld. Like I said, for today's video, we are going to test this machine with its for its welding capability and doing the full welding. Okay, what we are using today is different electrode that it's commonly used here in the Philippines. Especially in some small shop, in the construction, in the fabrication. So what we have here is we have a 5 pieces 2.4 6013. We also have 5 pieces 3.2 6013, and we also have 5 pieces 3.2 6011, and we also have 5 pieces of 3.2 7018. And we have here is a 16 thick of steel plate that we are going to stack all the beads in there. Okay, so what we're going to show you is the normal process, outside, especially if you're in the construction, building, structural framing, using I-beams, so that is, all the full welding is using there. So, and it's very common they're using for the root pass, for the gap is first is the 6011 and followed by 7018 for the fill pass and cover pass. So today what we're doing is a simulation of full welding test. Okay, we are doing is we are not almost going to stop, so we are going to continuously doing the full welding using all of this electrode, the 20 pieces electrode, from 2.4 up to 3.2 7018. Okay, so we are going to stack all the bits in here. Okay, then we stop, we change the electrode, or we clean our plate, then full weld again, because in the field it's also like that. You have to clean your tie-in, change your electrode, then continues your welding. So we are going to do that because here in the Philippines, some of you, inspiring welding welder, professional welder, when it comes to buying a new welding machine, they are very skeptical, always asking, is that machine can do a full welding? Because that, if you are going to bring it, in the field, in the construction, so it should be your machine is capable of doing that, finishing the job all day, and that is what you want. It's not like other welding machine out there, when you buy here locally, worth this amount, then when you finish at least 3 electrode, then suddenly your machine stop. Okay, and the worst thing is when it stops, it will not work again. Okay, so this, and for today we are going to see if this Rogue from ESAB is also similar to those machine. But I trust this machine, I trust ESAB. This machine, they can pass this test today, and we will prove you that. Okay, what is going to happen if it stop in the middle, then let's see what happened, why it stopped, and hopefully it will not disappoint us. Okay guys, what we're going to do is we're not going to stop the video. We will shoot it continuously to show you, that there is no edit on this. Okay, we are going to stack all of this 20 pieces electrode in this plate continuously. Okay, the only thing that we are going to stop is to change the electrode, like I said, and to clean our bead, then we will continuously welding again. Okay, so we start on doing that for 2.4, then set up with 6.5 2.4, because 2.4 electrode, the range of this the amperage is 40 to 90 amps. So I think 60, it's okay. Or maybe we can do is, let's say 70. So it's quite a little bit hot, you know. This is okay, it's quite hot already. So here we go, let's see. Okay. Here we go, guys. 70 amps, 6013 2.4. Here we go. What I'm doing now is side to side weave, so I can finish all of the electrode. This is not to show you how good is the bead, but to show you the capability of this machine and doing the pole welding. One. Okay. Clean it. Back again. And next. I'm stacking it on next 50% overlap. Because we want to show you the performance of this machine, if it's really worth it. For doing the pole welding. Two. Here's number 3. Okay. So no need to clean, guys. It's totally peeling out. Quite cheeky. It's thing is a common machine outside. When you use it for pole welding, sometimes you can only finish 2 electrode. You're lucky if you can finish 5 electrode continuously. Then suddenly your machine stops. And if you're lucky, your machine will work again after a few minutes. Otherwise, it will overheat and your machine is dead. Okay. 4. I think it's 3. Here's number 4. See? It's filling up. No need to use chipping hand. See, if your heat input is correct, travel speed is correct, you know, arc distance is correct, and you have a good welder. No need to use chipping hammer. Your slug will fill up immediately. Sorry, get shaky hand. Okay, so finish. See, just use a hammer, guys. Now, a lot of new welder is asking why welder that's used to smash the tip of the electrode in doing the welding. The thing is, guys, sometimes the flux is coated on the tip of your electrode. So to start the arc, it will not start automatically if that is coated with flux. So you have to check your electrode if the tip is coated or they have a bare metal on it. If there's a bare metal, you can start the arc immediately. Otherwise, you have to poke it like that or smash it a little bit to remove the flux, factory flux, you know, so it will initiate the arc. That's why when you see us, you smash it. Okay, we finished the, see, it's filling up, guys. We finished the 2.4. Now we are using now is the 3.2 613. So 613, it's about 80 to 130 amps. So what we're going to do is, like, you can say 95 maybe. You can start 95. Okay, let's say 95. Okay, there we go. 3.2 electrode, 6 to 13, 95 amps. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna starting again beside the 2.4 bead. I had to travel a little bit slowly because this is a big electrode than 2.4. So I may not, if I travel a little bit fast, I may not finish this electrode. So what we want to achieve now is to finish all the electrode, you know, and do the full welding continuously. What I'm going to do is, if it's not yet finished, I'm going to drag it up back so I can finish the entire electrode. Okay, so now it's finished. Remove it. Okay, now it's filling up again. See? Second of the 3.2. There we go. I'll try to not to rely on this, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like this. I'm a shaky hand, that's why you can see me. using two hands because I'm shaky. I have a shaky hand. So otherwise, I cannot type my art. When I'm not yet finished, I'm gonna come back. So I want to finish the entire electrode. Okay. Okay. Finish. This is number 3. 3.2. Okay. When I did. Okay. Let's do the 100. Let's say I can do it. I'm too shaky, guys. If you can see the tip of my electrode right now, you will laugh. It's dancing like crazy, you know. I had some, conditions. Sometimes I can weld 100 without shaking a lot, but most of the time I can't. So I have to use two hands. Not to finish, I have to come back. Forward motion. Okay. Finish. Clean your bead. Just like that. Then this is number 4 of 3.2. Okay, 60-13 again. Okay. Let me fix my. Okay. Too hot now. Once. How much better? My technique is weaving side by side, zigzag. I have to come back again because my electrode is not yet finished. Okay, as you can see, guys, my art is stable, no cut. Okay, Finish it. I'm gonna cover my face. No, it's hot slug, guys. Hot slug. Okay. Continuously again. So what we're doing right now is the simulation and how you do it in the field. And then sometimes in the field, you stop at about 5 minutes, you know, you remove the slug, you clean with your steel brush or wire wheel. And sometimes if you have some overkill, you grind it. I have to come back again because my electrode is not yet finished. As you can see, guys, continuously, we don't stop the video, we don't stop the machine. No. So now, finish number 4. We are in number 5 of 6013. This is for 9 electrode, guys. 9 electrode already. We lay on this plate. Now this is the number 10. Okay. Start again. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, I think we finished already 6013. This is already 6011. Sorry. 6011, guys, 3.2. Okay, it's quite hot. That's why I feel it's too aggressive. 6011 is just need 75 amps. So let's go 75 amps. There we go. Sorry. So my plan is, I didn't notice that. I noticed that I already finished the 6013. But what happened is, the aggressive electrode, the molten metal, the paddle, the arc has become different. So I noticed I'm no longer using 6013. Anyway, guys, when you are doing the welding, if you already experienced in the field, you will notice the difference of different electrode, the characteristic of different electrode. Okay, 6011, first piece of 6011, 3.2. Now this is number 2. Okay, and I'm gonna change the technique for this one. Okay, that's whipping. There we go. Back and forth. Now I have to come back. Okay, this is the third 60 level. I think I'm gonna use the other side. This one is too hot now. Okay, I'm gonna start here again on this side. Okay, there we go. I have to come back again. Okay, continuously guys, as you can see right now, continuously. Okay, number 4, this is number 4 of the 60 level. We already finished 14 pieces electrode. There we go again. Another side to side. So 6011 is very it's different than 6013. Okay, and this is lower amperage and it's deep penetration. It's good for road passes. Okay, then dirty metal, rusty metal, painted metal, oily metal, muddy metal. This is very good using to use in construction, you know, especially if you are just, you know, welding corrugated steel bar, you know. This electrode, we don't care if your metal is rusty, oily, greasy, muddy, dirty, you know, as long as it has a bare metal, you can start diet, it will continuously, guys. You know, this is a very this is a good benefit of this 6011. This is number 15, guys, number 15, you know, 3.2 6011. Number 15 electrode. What happened to our machine now? We will die in the middle? I don't think so. I think, you know, this machine thinks that, oh, I'm not gonna disappoint you. You pay a lot of money for me, so I will let you finish a lot of job. I'm not like others. This is what this machine is thinking right now. Because now he's under stress, you know. We are stressing him. We are pushing him to the limit of 4 welding. He is going to give up, or he is going to win us. Hope he is not going to disappoint us. It's 15 electrode, guys. Okay. Now, we finish 15 electrode. Okay. 2.4, 6013, 3.2, 6013, and now here is the 3.2, 6011. Okay. Now we have a 7018, 3.2. Okay. Number 16 electrode. So 3.2, 7018, amperage range of 110 to 165. Maybe we can go for like 115 maybe, or let's say 115. If it's colder, if it's cold, we raise the amperage. Okay, there we go. Let's start right now. 7018, 115. It's running too hot. I think it can work in 110 amps. See? 3.2 guys, 7018. 115. It's digging perfectly. The penetration is nice. Arc is nice. But it's quite aggressive for 115. Maybe I can lower down to 110. But if your metal is like, you know, half inch or 1 inch thick of metal, 115, I think it's more than enough to have a good penetration. I'm gonna keep going back. This is not yet finished. I still have 1 inch left. Okay, see that finish? See that balance? Okay. Number 17. 3.2, 7018. Okay. That's quite. Okay. Let's go of 112. Okay, or let's go 110. Okay, 110. There we go. Okay, 110 is quite nice. This is really good. Sweet. I feel I have heat now, guys. My hand is now really hot. My glove is now, it's too hot. But for you, I will sacrifice on it, just to show you what this machine capability of, you know. Okay, we are going to invest a lot of money in this machine, but it should not disappoint us. At the end of the day, should finish the job accordingly, you know, with quality. This machine is really awesome. Okay, finish. It's quite hot now, guys. Okay, there we go. 7018 3.2 110 amps. So for this one, I'm not consuming. I did not clean the slug because it's too hot. The slug is still stuck. The 7018, when it's cold, the slug, if you have if your trouble is really good, good amperage, when it's cooled down, the slug will fill up sometimes or crack. But when it's really hot, especially our metal now, it's really hot, it will not remove easily. You need to wait till the metal is cooled down, then you can remove the slug. Okay, finish number 17. Now so guys, this happens sometimes in the field. Okay, it's too hot now. My hand is really hot. You guys, our machine is working continuously. Now going back. It's too hot. It's really hot. Whew. Fuck. Oh, guys. It's hot now, guys. Hot now. Okay. Okay. One more. There we go. Last electrode, 20 pieces. We don't stop very long, guys. We just stop normally, change the electrode, and that's it. Continuously. Wow. Feed your art. Feed it, man. Feed it. Now when you're a welder, you will experience a lot of things in the field, guys. You get burned, electrocuted, grounded, see? We finished 20 electrodes. 20 electrodes, guys. As you can see, the metal now, it's damn hot. See? It's orange hot, guys. See? It's too orange hot. See that? You see that? See this? It's really hot. Now? It's really damn hot, guys. See, it's red hot. This is the result of 20 electrode full welding it continuously using Rogue 200 iPro from ESAB, and this is awesome. You know, this is awesome. You see that we don't stop. We don't stop longer. Okay, it's a normal stop because you have to change the electrode. First, you have to clean your bead, then stack your bead again. You know, so that's it, guys. So now you can see it's awesome. It's really hot. As you can see, it's really hot. Now it's red hot. Okay, red hot, guys. See, it's 110. We started, 70, 60, 80, 90, and that's it. So this is the things. Okay, we already proved to you guys that this machine is a beast. I can do all this welding process accordingly. So you want him for spot welding, he will be happy. You want him for a pole welding, he will be more happy. So this, guys, as you can see, we finished 20 electrode continuously without stopping. Okay, guys, as you can see, we done it. So I used it before, but it's not in this way, during the pole welding test continuously with 20 electrodes. It's not only a matter of we started 2.4, guys. Even you started or finished entirely with the same electrode, 70, 80, and 60, 11, or whatever type of electrode is that, but the thing is, he can handle it, he can handle the stress, that you are going to put it in him. He can finish the job, and of course, in the field, like I said, in the field, it's not like this, it's not like this. There's a pole welding, but the welder, after 2 electrodes, he will stop momentarily, at least 5 minutes. Will clean, change the position, especially in the I-beam. They have in I-beam, they have a flat position, vertical position, they have horizontal position, and there's a overhead position. So, and if you have a 20 or 8-inch width of I-beam, the standard, and like 30 centimeter tall, so that's it. You finish 1 electrode over here, 3 electrode going up, or 4 electrode, then you stop because you have to change your position. You stop longer than what did here, so you have more time to rest the machine, call off the system inside. So, but what we did right now is just pushing the machine. If we can handle continuously 20 electrode, and that's it. You see it, guys. You see it. Okay, we didn't stop it. We didn't cut the video continuously, more than 30 minutes, I think. Feeding the electrode continuously. So that's it. It's too hot. These gloves that ESAB sent it to me, it's cook, now, but it's okay, that's it, guys. It's totally awesome. I really love the machine, and if you buy this, 30,000, more than 30,000, something like that, and here in the Philippines, you can get it in Lazada. We will put all the link below. Central Industrial Supply, that is the authorized and local dealer here in the Philippines. We will put all the link below, so you can get this, on ESAB Rogue 200i Pro, and also they have 180. So for those just started in the small business, small welding business, construction, you can get the 180, or in the small shop, you can get the 180 if you don't have enough budget for that. But when you have a good business, to finish the job, you know uh, accordingly, perfectly, so you need to invest a good machine like this one, because like I always said, when you invest a good machine, it will taking care of your business. The welder, they have to, very familiar with the machine. You use the machine carefully and accordingly to what the process uh, should be done, and so the end of the project will have a good output, and your investment will return. Okay, so that's it, guys, and hopefully you enjoy the video, you enjoy our simulation of the full welding capability of this beast, of this machine, Rogue 200i Pro from ESAB. Thank you so much to all the subscribers. If you are new in the channel, please consider subscribe, hit the notification button, so we'll be notified for all the incoming videos in the future. We will be releasing a lot of video in the coming weeks and the coming months. And the next video what we are going to do with this machine is the TIG welding setup. We are going to do that maybe next week. We will release that video, and hope you enjoy watching us here in Weld. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Have a nice day. God bless you. Peace.